Is it the right time to buy or sell Exxon stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Exxon. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, November 21, 2023. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI today and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 21, 2023, our system has ranked Exxon as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of -0.70. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Despite some natural fluctuations, the stock is currently at a loss of 0% since our initial hold/accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term. It is important to note that this trend is expected to continue. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -8.33% in the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -10.51% to -0.128%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected decrease of -1.58% over the next year. The potential return within this timeframe ranges from -7.18% to 12.96%. This means that the stock price could range from $96.96 to $118 after a year. Our latest update on Exxon brings a stronger technical forecast for the company's stock price after Tuesday's trading. On the last day, Tuesday, November 21, 2023, the Exxon stock price experienced a slight decline of -0.0383%, moving from $104.50 to $104.46. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.43%, reaching a low of $103.22 and a high of $104.70. Although the price has fallen in 6 out of the last 10 days, it is still up by 0.24% over the past 2 weeks. It's worth noting that the trading volume decreased along with the stock, which is generally considered a positive sign. Specifically, on the last day, the trading volume fell by -701,000 shares, with a total of 14 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.43 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Exxon stock was $126.54, while the lowest price was $98.02. Currently, the stock price is 17.45% or $22.08 below the 52-week high of $126.54, which also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for ExxonMobil Corporation. On Friday, November 10, 2023, Piper Sandler gave ExxonMobil Corporation an overweight grade with a hold action. Moving on to Thursday, November 2, 2023, Bernstein provided ExxonMobil Corporation with an outperform grade and a hold action. Another recent rating came from CFRA on Friday, October 27, 2023, which gave ExxonMobil Corporation a buy grade along with an upgrade action. On the same day, Bernstein also gave ExxonMobil Corporation an outperform grade but with an initialize action. Lastly, on Friday, October 27, 2023, Wells Fargo assigned an overweight grade to ExxonMobil Corporation, paired with a hold action. Analysts have rated Exxon stock with a strong buy recommendation. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as both being classified as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, let's take a look at the signals for Exxon stock. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 1.95%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. However, we should also consider some negative signals that have been issued, as these may have an influence on the near short-term development of the stock. Currently, the Exxon stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. This means that the stock is giving a more negative forecast overall, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $107.23. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $104.17. To give us further insight, we should also consider the moving average convergence divergence, MACD, over the past 3 months. Currently, there is a sell signal from the MACD, indicating a potential downward trend. It's worth noting that the volume fell together with the price during the last trading day. This suggests that the overall risk is reduced, as volume usually follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger has indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average has signaled a sell 36 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average has shown a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 15 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Exxon. Exxon currently finds support from accumulated volume at $104.21. This means that there is a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support level is tested. In terms of movement, Exxon tends to have controlled and stable price changes. This, along with good liquidity, makes the risk associated with this stock quite low. Looking at the recent data, the stock has shown a daily fluctuation of $1.48 or 1.43% between its highest and lowest points. Over the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 1.82%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Exxon, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate a lack of confidence in the company's future prospects or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity for buyers. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $2.21. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Exxon. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Exxon is at $106.47. If you don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering a position. However, for those who are already holding the stock, this could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, Exxon faces its first support level at $104.21. If this support holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, indicating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Exxon from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. conducted an insider buy of 50,000 shares of common stock. On November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. conducted another insider buy of 50,000 shares of common stock. On November 6, 2023, Jeffrey W. conducted a significant insider buy of 150,000 shares of common stock, without par value. On September 5, 2023, Tally Darren L. conducted an insider sell of 1,500 shares of common stock. On August 1, 2023, Ubben Jeffrey W. made another insider buy, this time purchasing 70,962 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 87.057. Overall, insiders have purchased 22,068,772 shares and sold 1,651,521 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $98.82, which is a decrease of 5.4%. This stock shows low daily movements, which translates to lower risk for investors. Additionally, there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 3 days ago. Is Exxon stock a good buy? While Exxon holds several positive signals, we believe that they are not sufficient to consider it a buy candidate. Instead, at its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate or one to accumulate, as we wait for further development. Therefore, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, November 22, we anticipate Exxon's opening to be down $0.337, beginning at $104.12. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a look at the current view of this stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinion. We're also curious to know your target for this stock. If you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.